This is the Elgato Prompter, which is an all-in-one teleprompter and monitor. At least that's what it says on the box. I wasn't going to do an unboxing of this because there's plenty of them out there, but in the nature of trying to keep something going on a daily basis and actually trying to make quick unboxings, I'm just going to go for it. So this actually arrived yesterday. I've yet to unopen it. I do note as I'm looking at the thing closely, there's a couple of seals which need to be broken. So I'm just doing that now. So with the bumping of the knife against the tripod. Of course, here, I think I must really bend over on this one. There we go. So just going to lift it up in order to open this. Now, a lot of people say, oh right, it's already getting complicated. A lot of people say how wonderfully light this thing is. In weight, well, the box is quite heavy, to be honest. Pull this bit out. Ooh, right. Lots of exciting stuff. We'll get to that in a moment then. And okay, this is all quite difficult. I'll pull these bits out, so at least I've got all the bits out of the box. That's it, I think. The box is still quite heavy. So is there anything in the bottom of the box? No, the packaging is quite heavy. So I bet this is going to be real fun to put back in again as well. Right, I'm going to pop this box to the side. And take a closer look at the bits and pieces. So, first of all, this one. Right, this looks like the camera mounting bracket. Fine business. This one is the main unit itself, complete with a very sticky sticker, which actually hasn't stuck to anything other than where you don't want it. Right, okay. Good. So there's the main unit itself, which is a mirror. This is not that light. They say this is light. I'm not convinced personally. I'm going to be mounting this onto a Leica Q3, and I don't want the Leica Q3 to be taking a huge amount of weight on its lens filter. And a box of stuff. So there's an instruction manual in various different languages, so that's fine. Step-up rings, so this is a set of step-up rings for different filter sizes on your camera. So there is 82mm, 72mm, 77mm, 62mm, 67mm, and the list goes on. 58mm, 55mm, 52mm, and 49mm. The Leica Q3 is 49mm, the smallest of that lot. So there we go. There's step-up rings. And USB shroud backplate. So if you haven't if you're not able to use one of the step-up rings, you can mount your camera on a bracket and do it that way. In fact, I think I might be using it that way anyway, as a way of supporting the weight, perhaps. Don't know. Let's see how it all works out. So there's a universal shroud, stroke back plate. And that indeed is, as it states, a shroud and back plate, and a cleaning cloth, and a cleaning cloth. It's quite nice. And finally, USB-C cable. So right-angled USB-C to USB-A, and it's a nice braided quality cable. The question is then, whether you need an adapter to go USB-A to USB-C, or whether you're just going to go out and buy yet another cable to add to your cable collection, because Elgato have been kind enough to not include USB-C to USB-C. I don't think that's poor. I really think that's poor. Could have done better there, Elgato. So there we go. Here's all the little gadgets and so on and so forth. So the Elgato Prompter. Thanks very much.